Students, let's see action words. Climbing, working, studying, throwing, listening, raising, dancing, playing, hiding, caring, watering, blowing. Let's see some more different action words along with its picture. Reading. The boy is reading. Riding. The man is riding. Our third word is flying. The bird is flying. Running. The man is running. Sharpening. The boy is sharpening the pencil. Peeling. Mother is peeling a potato. Blowing. The girl is blowing. Raining. It's raining. Climbing. The man is climbing on the hill. Painting. The girl is painting. Crying. A baby is crying. Laughing. A girl is laughing. Catching. The man is catching the ball. Folding. It is folding. Let's see some more action words. Read, reading. Drink, drinking. Swim, swimming. Play, playing. Eat, eating. So students, in this way you have to learn all different action words. Hope you have enjoyed the video. इसी तरह से बच्चों आप सबको एक्शन वर्ड याद करना है. थैंक यू.